The DOMHOAI 135A stick welder uses an efficient inverter design with digital controls that keeps the arc smooth and predictable, even for newer welders. Automatic matching of current and voltage to the chosen electrode size makes setup almost effortless while still allowing manual fine-tuning when you want more control. Built-in hot start and arc force features help the rod light quickly and stay lit, which cuts down on frustrating restarts and improves weld consistency. Anti-stick behavior and thoughtful shock protection make it much harder to freeze an electrode and add a reassuring layer of safety during use. A very light body that is roughly the weight of a small toolbox, along with a sturdy handle, makes this welder easy to carry between jobs or store on a shelf. Multiple protective circuits against overheating, excess current, and overload give this compact machine durability that feels suited to both hobby projects and occasional professional work.